morning.
Good morning to be created. Today weather is quite weird. This weekend will be really cold. It will drop down to a minus and then some places it will have a snow. But we have a sun a little bit, so right now it's okay. But Mark is cleaning off the front windshield. It's quite cold and the condensations build up whenever we take down our insulation. So yeah, we are trying our insulation like this while we are driving. Today will be another exciting day, huh? It's cold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I can see my breath. 여기 밤이 진짜 예뻤다. 우리 밤에 운전했어. So we are gonna stop over the Tannery Point. That place, like before I said, that you can see dolphins. So I really hope that we can see it, right? If we are lucky, we can see it. But let's see how it goes. 아니 비 오고 바다 색깔이 별로 안 좋은데 우리 돌핀 볼 수 있나?
Alright, here we are.
도착했는데 보일까? Do you see any dolphins, Ania? No. Today's bad luck. We didn't see dolphins. Wait, rain. Hopefully we can see the dolphins up on the north. I found another spot. We are gonna go up to the north today. Hopefully weather will be good. Before that, we gotta fill up the 2B gas. She is a hangry monster.
54 minutes. Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hand with the fear of being here on my own.
그래서 기름값 1.58. The price was better than before. Previously we paid like 1.6. Now it's at 1.558. So yeah, a bit better. Luckily we made the Tesco car so we can get the point. So 7 points more, we get the 1.5 pounds voucher. Yay! Maybe I can buy some new cookies. So we are gonna follow the coastline and see 500 and then go up to the north. Ooh, construction. Since we were doing the vlog, we found the home bargain. Anything interesting?
Cranberries are $1.99.
Haribo party. Sometimes they have a green cup noodle, so we come here. 아니야, 우리 콤비프 필요해? For the breakfast? Yeah.
A salt or ultra paradise?
Paradise? Sounds good. You cannot believe this one. 아니 표정 어떻게 할 거야? 아니야. Look at this. 이거 봐. 대박.
There's ramen at the end, but not Korean ramen. 김치나. 아, 김치라면. Yeah.
나이스. 두 개?
4개 하자. 찾기 힘드니까.
맞아. 찾기 힘들었어.
Good price too, right?
나는 라면만 살지 않았는데 가방 이거 작은 거 들고 왔잖아. 계획 바뀌었다고?
It's later than I thought. So by the time we get to the first place and hike it, it'll be sunset.
Oh yeah.
We want to go to 3 different places. There's a campsite just before all 3 of them that we can go to tonight, and then wake up early and then do those 3 and then go to the next campsite. And I like that campsite because you're right on in the port.
Yeah.
That would be really cool.
Yeah. 근데 먹고 가자. Guys, we bought the from home bargain. We're gonna have snacks, bacon, lettuce, tomato. We're gonna eat and pick up. 잘 먹겠습니다. 괜찮네. We didn't have a luck for the dolphin, but we see tons of rainbow. This is a good thing about rain, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, we are going into the rainbow, maybe.
It is NC500.
여기 근처에 주차해도 되는 거야? Oh wow, I don't have any signal.
Okay.
Welcome. to Scotland. 라이트하우스 오래된 게 이쁘네. Guys, this is the place we are gonna camp tonight. Why is it cold? This is lighthouse. It's like really nice. I like the like small, old-looking one. And here, this is the fishing village. Small village, really small. And we cannot use anything with our phone. No signal, nothing. I guess I mean it's only work. I guess no one will come today. Everyone is like, staying indoor. I think that's a good idea too. It's quite cold.
Okay, you're gonna get maybe 20 mile an hour winds like that, and you'll get some weather coming through as well. It's not that bad.
Yeah, right.
You should be okay. Okay, good. Right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice
to look more 할아버지다.
Yeah,
맞지?
really
한자
nice
할아버지.
You understand everything?
I think his Scottish accent wasn't that like so strong. 여기도 되는 거네. Alright. Yeah, get ready. Are you awake?
Awake.
Okay. 알러지 약을 먹었더니 그런 거 같다 아니야. Alright. 오늘 저녁은 계란말이랑 김치랑 허니가 어제 만든 디아 닭도리 찜닭. 어때? 맛있어?
네.
계란말이도 했거든. Good morning, TV crew. We stayed in the little like a fishing village port. It was really nice. And good shelter for the wind and the bad weather. Today it was kind of sun went through, but it disappeared right away as soon as I start the vlog. So today we are gonna see the Whaligoe steps and Castle Sinclair Castle along the coastline. So right now we don't have a signal, so I'm using my navigation because speaking Korean. So weird to hear it. But anyways, we are gonna go with the rain today. 여기가
Yeah, it's the parking lot.
residence.
Oh.
It says resident, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's late.
Okay.
Excuse me. Hi. Is this whole area here is only for residents?
I don't know, I just parked here.
Okay.
So,
Guys, I say before it's a Whaligoe step. Actually, it's a Whaligoe. Whaligoe steps. So there's a free. In Google said a free parking lot, but actually it says like a resident only something. Paints is kind of like fade away. So we asked the another person who parked the car, and then she said like, oh, she parked it here. She's not resident, so yeah, we're gonna wait for the rain stop a little bit and then walk a little bit, right? Okay, let's go. Let's stop rain. Oh, not rain. No, it's raining. It started to rain again. Oh, oish! Again. 고양아.
You
오,
got something.
지. 아니야, 쎄쓸. 살아 있어.
Good job, cat.
진짜 놀랬네. Hi. We are wearing the Crocs. We don't recommend it because ours is modified, like with the tire, like a bottom. So grip is pretty good, but you know, better to have a hiking boots. Oh wow. 어머. 예쁘다, 하니야. 물 색깔 봐. Can you see the color of the water? I can see the underneath. 조심해. Just be careful. Look at that like little cave, honey. 저기 동굴같이 이렇게 되어 있고. 와, 물이 너무 깨끗해. 물 무슨 일이야? 와우. 근데 여기 떨어지면 이제 완전 사망이다, 사망. 1792년에 이 스텝이 지어졌다고 해. Okay, let's go down. What's your step though?
Yeah, you watch your step. Try to vlog and step at the same time.
야, 나 사진 찍는 카메라 안 들고 살까 후회된다. 오. 야, 왜 여기 와야 되는지 알겠다. 물 색깔이 진짜 너무 장난 아니잖아. 허니, 거기 너무 이쁜데? 와. 항상 don't look forward all the times, look back sometimes.
That's true.
You wanna come join with me?
Yeah.
우리도 로맨틱하게 좀 해보자. 물이 너무 깨끗해. 진짜 믿기지가 않는다.
Wow, we came all the way to the bottom. That's amazing.
And we're the only one. No one comes here because of bad weather. Oh my god, you can go in there. 이거 웨이브였나?
Awesome.
와 너무 이쁘잖아.
Oh, well.
어디?
Right there. It was a killer whale.
아 진짜?
Yeah, let's look at pictures again.
Oh
It
please.
should be about here someplace now.
Guys, Mark showed a killer whale, which I really want to see too. But I was kind of impressed about this clip. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty! Guys, look at this! And then I missed the chance. Mark showed the killer whale. But hopefully, when we drive up north, we are gonna have more chance to see it. 근데 진짜 보고 싶다 고래. Guys, it was so amazing. We just like had a chance to fly the drone, and then we found the waterfall. It's like on the cliff, right? The two like water stream coming, and I think because of the rain, the waterfall looks so beautiful, right? That's the one good thing about the waterfall. Weather is bad and rain a lot, but you are gonna see beautiful waterfall. So now we are gonna go all the way up with the step. And we will see the Sinclair castle, right? Bye bye! Mark said a killer whale today.
Take the first exit onto Whaligoe Bridge. Turn right onto the shore.
We're heading to Castle Sinclair. It got so cold, right? 우리 장갑 써야겠다. 보인다. 저 멀리 가자.
진짜 보이네.
Guys, I can see the Castle Sinclair over there. Oh my god, it's really pretty. I cannot. Maybe I did a little bit of study. Hello.
Charlie, come here.
He's a happy dog. So I did a research a little bit what kind of place we want to see along the NC500. But I mean NC500 itself is a really beautiful road to go, right? But I just want to see like certain things, and I'm happy that they have like little like stuff we can see, right? Whaligoe, that was beautiful, and I like this one too. 이렇게 생겼었대.
Yeah, so it started out like this, and then it slowly developed to that, and now it looks like this.
브리지 가보자.
Yeah, to the bridge.
Welcome to my castle. I'm
Your
Lucy
castle.
Sinclair. 와, 이거 다리 움직여. 오, you can walk all the way down.
Welcome home. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Lucy? Wait. Huh? Nothing yet. There's a pool going down here.
Wow.
This used to be the toilet.
화장실인 것 같아요.
Wow.
Guys, we hiked through a little bit outside of the castle. Look at this. I'm on the edge a little bit. Not the edge, actually. I'm exaggerating right now. But look at that. The wave is coming through. And look at this castle. You know, inside was pretty, but outside itself is really nice. Because of the the rock formations, like going all the way up. I don't know. That's amazing. Really amazing. And I like that. I really like the previous spot and then this spot too. 대박. Guys, last course is a little short hike. I mean, this place, when I saw it, people were found the penguins and whales and puffins. But weather is quite bad. It's quite windy, so I don't I don't have a high expectation that I can see penguins or whales or puffins. But since weather is quite cold these days, we stay in the van for a long we stay in the van. So it's good to walk, I wanna walk a little bit, do a little bit exercise, right? And then pumping out the Scottish blood inside of our vein, right? Oh, 저거 두 개. I forgot the name. Can you pronounce it for me, Anya?
Yeah, Duncansby Head.
Duncansby
Stacks
Head.
of Duncansby. Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Get it.
Whatever.
Did you get a good picture?
Huh?
Did you get it?
Yeah, but I gotta do a little work on it. I like the film camera version. 삐! 그거 셔터 라이트 할 때 그거잖아.
Yeah.
요즘 사람들은 잘 모르겠지.
Alright, let's go. Let's go back to the van.
It's cold.
Yeah.
춥다. 근데 괜찮았다. 하이킹 괜찮다. 오늘은 그럼 차였나 일단 가보고 안 되면 그냥 자연 캠핑, right?
31 minutes. We should be able to
Okay.
make it before it gets too dark.
Head west.
그러면 오늘은 차박하러 가봅시다, 여러분.
Oh, that's so cool.
Guys, where we're parking and camping actually is like the northest point in UK by land. So we didn't know until we searched on our Google map. It's quite cool. Right now I can see the lighthouse through our little spy window. We are not gonna walk over there tonight because it's kind of getting close to dinner time. Tomorrow morning, hopefully with the good weather, we are gonna walk towards to the lighthouse, past the lighthouse that is the northest point in UK. There is a candle, is for kind of heat and also light too. Alright, I'm gonna close our vlog today because tomorrow is another day to the NC 500. Alright, bye bye, ciao.